Welcome everyone. In this video, you will learn how to generate subtitles in a different language from your audio, or in other words, how you can get translated subtitles of your media file. Alright, so I am on listenmonster.com. So here I will click it. So I have this audio file.
क्या आप जानते हो कि
It is in Hindi, but I want to get subtitles in the English language. Okay, so I will open it. Alright, so here as I know the language is Hindi, but I will choose my desired language in which I want get subtitles, so that is English, and it is already. So I will click on generate, then I will click on SRT, then I will click on generate. It will take few seconds depending upon your media file length, how long it is. Alright, as you can see, file is ready, so I will download it and we will open it. So as you can see, it translated that file subtitles in English language. Thank you everyone for watching this video.